Yes, working together. Children, working together will make the work simple and easier. Yes, if we work together, the work will be simple and easier. Yes, and we will have lot of fun when we do the work together. Yes, we have seen recap of team time. Now we are going to see recap of math time. Yes, in math time we are going to see recap of numbers and recap of number names and recap of patterns. First we will see recap of numbers. Yes. Children, in the last class we have seen numbers 1 to 20. Ma'am will tell numbers. You can repeat after me. Yes, without unmuting your audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and number 10, we will tell it as 1 tens and 0 ones. 10. 1 tens and 0 ones. 1 10 and 1 1 is 11. 1 10, 2 ones is 12. 1 10, 2 ones is 12. 1 10, 3 ones is 13. 1 10, 4 ones 14. 1 10, 5 ones 15. 1 10, 6 ones 16. 1 10, 7 ones 17. 1 10, 8 ones 18. 1 10, 9 ones 19. And 2 tens, 0 1 is 20. Yes, we have done recap of numbers. Now we will do recap of number names. In the last class, we learnt say and write number names 6 to 10. Now you will repeat it with ma'am. Yes, you can repeat it after me. Yes, without unmuting your mic. The first one is number 6. The number name for number 6 is S-I-X. 6. Next one is 7. Yes. E V E N. 7. And next one is 8. E I G H T. 8. Next one 9. N I N E. 9. Last one 10. T E N. 10. Yes. Now we are going to do recap of patterns. Pattern means the things that we repeat it again and again in the same way. The things that we repeat it again and again in the same way, we call it as pattern. Now we are going to do pattern using emotions. The first one is happy face. Yes, happy face. The second one is sad face. The second one is sad face. Yes, we are going to do happy face and sad face, and we are going to do pattern. Yes. The first one is happy face. Yes. After happy face, sad face. We are going to use happy face and sad face to make a pattern. Ma'am is going to repeat it again. After sad face, what will come? Happy face. Yes, happy face. Then sad face. Yes. After sad face, happy face. What will come? Happy face. Yes. After happy face, sad face. Yes. Ma'am has used happy face and sad face and made pattern. Now we are going to do simple pattern. Simple pattern. Yes. We are going to do simple pattern using leaf and twig. The first one is leaf and the second one is twig. Using leaf and twig, we are going to make pattern. Children, twig is the bottom portion of the leaf. Twig is the bottom portion of the leaf. Yes, we are going to do simple pattern. Yes, first one is leaf. Second one, twig. Yes, using this leaf and twig, now we are going to make pattern. After twig, leaf. Yes, after leaf, twig. After twig, leaf. After leaf, twig. Yes, we have used leaf and twig to make pattern. Ma'am has repeated it again and again to make a pattern. Now we have seen theme time and math time. Now Durga ma'am is going to do recap of language time. Over to Durga ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Gayatri ma'am. Am I audible?
It is audible, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yes, children, in block 4, we learned 7 letters and its sounds, right? In today's language time, we are going to do a quick recap of all the 7 letters and its sounds. Shall we do, children? Yes. Here comes the first letter. This is uppercase J. This is lowercase j. The sound of letter J is J. J. And the second letter, this is uppercase Z. This is lowercase z. Sound of letter Z is Z. Z. And the next letter, this is uppercase V. And this is lowercase v. Sound of letter V is B. B. And the next letter, this is uppercase W and this is lowercase w. Sound of letter W is W. W. Yes. And here we have the next letter. Letter Y. This is uppercase Y. This is lowercase y. Sound of letter Y is Y. Y. And the next letter X. This is uppercase X. This is lowercase x. Sound of letter X is X. X. Yes, the next letter Q. This is uppercase Q. And this is lowercase q. Sound of letter Q is W. W. So we all know all these 7 letters and we all know to recognize which is uppercase and which is lowercase. And we all know the sound of all these 7 letters. Yes, children? Okay, now we are going to see each letter and its beginning sound picture. Yes, here the first letter is J. Yes, the letter J. Sound of letter J is J. Now we are going to see pictures that begins with J sound. The first picture, jaguar. Jaguar. Next picture, jungle. Jungle. Next picture, jeep. Jeep. Next picture, jar. Jar. Jaguar, jungle, jeep, jar. All these picture begins with J sound. Yes. We'll go for the next letter. The second letter is letter Z. Letter sound Z. Z. Yes. We'll see pictures which begins with Z sound. Yes. What is the first picture? It's a zigzag. Yes, ma'am already told you, right? When the line goes up, down, we have to say it as zigzag, right? Zigzag. The second one, zebra, zebra. And then the third one, can you see the black and white lines on the road? Yeah, it's a zebra crossing, zebra crossing. And the next one, it's a number 0, 0, right? Zigzag, zebra, zebra crossing, 0. All these picture begins with sound. Right, children? Suraj of UKGB, kindly unmute your video, dear. Sorry, kindly mute your video, dear. Yeah. Here we have the next letter. Letter V. Letter sound B. B. Now we are going to see pictures that begins with B sound. The first picture, it's a van. It's a van. And the second picture, it's a volcano, right? It's a volcano. The third picture, it's a violin. Violin. And the last picture, can you see those vegetables? Yeah, those are vegetables. I hope all my children are eating whatever vegetable Amma is giving you. Right? Vegetables are good for our health. Right, children? Yes. So what are the pictures we saw here? Van, volcano, violin, vegetables. All these picture begins with the letter sound V. Right? Yes, we'll go for the next letter. Next letter is W. Letter sound is W. W. Yes. We'll see pictures that begins with W sound. Can you see the first picture? Waves. Waves. Yes, the next picture, it's a whistle. Whistle. And then the next picture, watch. Watch. And then the next picture, water. Water. Yes, I hope all my children drinking lot of water, right? Yes, children, water is like very important. I want all my children to drink water frequently. Yes, children, will you all do that? Yes. So what are the pictures we saw here? Waves, whistle, watch, water. All these picture begins with W sound. Yes. We'll go for the next letter Y. Sound of letter Y is Y. Y. Yes. Okay, we are going to see pictures that begins with Y sound. Okay, what is the first picture? It's a yak. Yak. The second one, it's a yellow color, right? Yellow. And the third picture, it's a yo-yo. It's a yo-yo. And then the last one, it's a yacht. Yes, it's a yacht. So what are the pictures we saw here, children? Yak, yellow, yo-yo, and yacht. Yes, all these picture begins with Y sound. Right, children? We'll go for the next letter. Yes, here we have letter X. And letter sound is X. X. And we are going to see pictures that ends with X sound. Okay. We are going to see picture that ends with X sound. Shall we see, children? The first one, box. Box. Next one, yes, it's a wax, right? Yeah, wax. Wax. And then the next one, it's a fox. Fox. The next one, number 6. 6. The next one, it's a fax machine. Ma'am already told that we use this machine to send and receive some documents, right? It's a fax. Fax. So what are the pictures we saw here? Box, wax, fox, six, and fax. Yes, all these picture ends with X sound. Right? We'll go for the next letter. Letter Q. Letter Q. Letter sound Qu. Letter sound Qu. Okay, we are going to see pictures that begins with Qu sound. The first one, she's a queen. Queen. The next one, it's a quill. Quill. And the next picture, it's a quill. Quill. And the last one, it's a question mark. Question mark. Yes, all these picture begins with W sound. Right, children? Now, we all know to recognize the uppercase, lowercase, and sound of all these 7 letters. Now, here we have an activity.
Going to write lowercase letters. Yes, this is lowercase j. Always we have to start from the dot, right? You all know it. Yes. From upper blue line, we have to draw standing line from upper blue line that should touch the lower red line, and then make a curve, and then you have to keep a dot in between upper red line and upper blue line. Yes, this is lowercase j. Then lowercase z. Always we have to start writing from the dot, right? For lowercase z, draw one sleeping line on the upper blue line, and then right slanting line between upper blue line and lower blue line, and then again one sleeping line on the lower blue line. Yes, this is lowercase z. I want all my kids to write like this. Yes, just observe now. You don't want to write it. Then comes the lowercase v. So lowercase v, for lowercase v, we have to start from the dot. Draw one left slanting line from upper blue line to lower blue line, and then right slanting line from lower blue line to upper blue line. Yes, this is lowercase v. Then comes a letter lowercase w. Yes, always we have to start from the dot. Draw left slanting line from upper blue line to lower blue line, and then right slanting line from lower blue line to upper blue line. Again, left slanting line from upper blue line to lower blue line. And again, right slanting line from lower blue line to upper blue line. Yes, the W, we should be in 2 blue lines. Yes, between 2 blue lines. Then next comes the letter lowercase y. Yes, always we have to start from the dot. Draw one standing line from upper blue line. Draw one upward curve between 2 blue lines, and then standing line from upper blue line that should touch the lower red line and a curve. This is lowercase y. And then lowercase q. Always start from the dot. Okay, dears, or you're listening? You have to draw one open curve between 2 blue lines. Yes, and then draw one standing line from upper blue line to lower red line, and then a tail, a small tail. It should not touch the blue line. Yes, this is lowercase q. And then we move on to the uppercase letters. Yes, I want all my kids to listen. You don't want to write now, just observe. Yes, first is uppercase J. Always we have to start from the dot, right? Here is a dot. For uppercase J, we have to draw one sleeping line on the upper red line, and then from the dot we have to draw standing line from upper red line to lower blue line, and then you have to make a curve. This is uppercase J. Okay. Next, uppercase V. We have to start from the dot. We have to draw one right slanting line from upper red line to lower blue line, and then, sorry, this is left slanting line, right? Left slanting line from upper red line to lower blue line, and then right slanting line from lower blue line to upper red line. This is uppercase V. Then comes a letter Y. Uppercase Y. Always start from the dot. Left slanting line from upper blue line to upper red line to upper blue line, and then from upper blue line we have to draw a right slanting line that should touch the upper red line, and then you have to draw a standing line from upper blue line to lower blue line. Yes, this is uppercase Y. Then comes a uppercase Z. Uppercase Z starts from this dot, right? You have to draw one sleeping line on the upper red line, and then right slanting line from upper red line to lower blue line, and then one more sleeping line on the lower blue line. This is uppercase Z. Then uppercase X. We have to start from the dot, left slanting line between upper red line and lower blue line, and again right slanting line from upper red line to lower blue line. This is uppercase Z. Then uppercase W. We have to start from the dot, draw left slanting line between upper red line and lower blue line, and then right slanting line from lower blue line to upper red line, and again left slanting between upper red line and lower blue line, again right slanting between upper blue line and lower blue line to upper blue line. Yes, this is uppercase W. Yes, dears. Now next we are going to draw pictures. Yes? Yes, Pramila ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, dears. Now we are going to do an activity. In this activity, we are going to draw one thing that begins with each letter. Okay, dears? The first letter is J. The sound of letter J is J. So we have to draw one thing that begins with J sound. So shall we draw jug, children? Yes? The oval and a standing line and upward curve. Yes, it is too easy, right, to draw a jug? Yes. The next letter is Y. The sound of letter Y is Y. So we are going to draw one thing that begins with Y sound. Now we are going to draw a yacht. Slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line and sleeping line. And one more standing line and slanting line. Yes, yacht. So the next letter is X. The sound of letter X is X. So we are going to draw one thing that begins with X sound. Yes, children? Shall we draw? Box. We are going to draw a box. Yes, too easy, right? With sleeping line and standing line, we can draw the box. The next letter is V. The sound of letter V is V. So we are going to draw a van. Yes, children? It will be very easy. See, children? Slanting lines, sleeping line, and a downward curve, and a wheel, and small boxes inside. Yes, it seems like a van, right, children? Yes. The next letter is Z. The sound of letter Z is Z. So we are going to draw a zip. Yes, children? Put a slanting line, standing line, slanting line and standing line, and a sleeping line. Okay, children? It seems like a zip W is wa. Wa. Okay, children, now we are going to draw a watch. Yes? Yes, it is very easy, children. You can draw any picture that begins with the letter sound and post it in our class group. Yes? In language time, we have seen these sounds and the picture starting with the letter sounds, and we wrote the lowercase and uppercase letters right, and we drawn the pictures that begins with the letter sound. I hope you all enjoyed this session. For my children, ma'am is giving stars, smiley and lollipop. Stay home and stay safe.